Rotating photos on Android is pretty similar across different apps and phones, but the buttons might look slightly different depending on your phone. If you're on a Pixel phone or something similar and using Google Photos, you'll first find the photo you want to rotate, and then you're going to tap Edit on the bottom of your screen. Some phones will then show you a little rotate button on the top right. You'll tap that and the photo rotates 90 degrees at a time. Tap again and it'll keep rotating. When you're done, you'll just save a photo. Sometimes the app lets you save the original, but I've noticed a lot of times when making edits, it forces you to save it as a copy while keeping the original version intact. If that rotation button isn't available on your phone, you can tap Crop on the bottom. The crop menu will then have a similar rotation button that you can use to rotate your photo. If you're using something else like a Samsung phone and the Samsung Gallery app, the steps are pretty much the same, but the app just looks a little different. I'll pull up a photo and then tap the little pencil icon to edit it. The app goes straight to the crop tool, and this has a similar button for rotating the photo. If you don't see the rotation button, check the buttons on the very bottom and make sure you have the crop tool selected. They all have their own features, so if you're looking at the wrong tool, the rotating option won't be visible. And that's basically it. Hope you learned something new. Hope you enjoy rotating your photos, and hope you slap that like button down there to help me and my small channel. It really makes a big difference. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in another video.